Hey, good morning everyone. So today is March 30, 2025. Our guest natin today is 14 people. They are from California. And galing sila sa Tokyo guys. Then pick upin natin sila ngayon sa Kyoto Station. Time check, 6:57. So okay lang kasi yung pick up natin is 9 pa naman, 9 a.m. Nagahan natin guys, pa hindi tayo maabutan ng traffic. Then kasama natin si Eric. Yan. So, yun lang. And samahan nyo ako, guys.
Hi, we're here inside the van of Kuya Benz.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry.
Okay, Kobe!